Who did the design? Was it your vision that the creature has to look like this? And how long did it take to put on the makeup?
Yeah, it took about 5 hours, I think, to put on the makeup every time. And it was so funny because Brooklyn, who is the actress who played the creature, she would come in like before anyone even got to set. She'd be in makeup for 5 hours. She'd come downstairs and we'd do like one shot with her, and then she'd have to go in like 3 hours to take it all off. Because the creature pops up every so often throughout the movie, but only for like a second, you know? So it's like really you only get one shot and then you send them back up. So it was a lot of work. But as far as designing it, we had gone through a couple different looks for it, and we had done her up in full makeup as makeup tests. And I knew I wanted the creature to be creepy and scary, but also kind of make sense with what it is. Like I wanted it to feel like it was starving. You know, I wanted it to have sunken eyes. I wanted it to have like, its veins protruding and stuff. Like I wanted it to be able to look at it and be like, this thing's hungry. This thing, like all it wants to do is eat, and it never, gains weight or anything. It's always just starving, So we went through a couple designs, and then the final one we were very close to shooting, and I had kind of photoshopped together a bunch of different things that I really, really liked.